Just one. It's very good. Very good. Again, piece off the ball, I think. It's a good strike. It is a brilliant strike.
Clears the front leg and rides the bounce as well. Always looking to hit up and over. It's a big hit. Slow one into the pitch, angling across the left-hander.
Another one, back-to-back sixes. Now we're seeing that six-hitting ability.
Missing his length ever so slightly. A slow, low full toss. Gets under it, khusdil Shah, and swings through the line. Another big hit.
Three in a row. And this crowd is celebrating a couple, in fact, three brilliant strikes.
Three different areas, three different deliveries, and three perfectly executed shots over the boundary for maximum hits. This is turning out to be a khusdil Shah show.
Does go full and wide. Got to end an expensive over. 282 for 4. Three sixes in a row in that last over.